Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the plunger guide tube in a Maytag washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a flat blade screwdriver, and a 5/16" nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new plunger guide tube. The plunger guide tube supports the lead switch plunger. The main reason why the plunger guide tube is being replaced is if it cracks or breaks off, not holding the switch plunger in place, causing the washer not to turn on. Open the lid. Using the flat blade screwdriver, lift on that locking pin and pull the whole hinge out. Pull the door out. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take out the two screws that hold the guide tube from the front. Using the 5/16" nut driver, remove the three screws from the back of the console. To remove the console, lift its back and pull it. Next, we need to remove the lead switch. Using the flat blade screwdriver, gently pull up the locking tab and then push the switch forward to disengage the side tabs. And now we can just simply remove the plunger guide. This is the old plunger guide tube next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now we're going to place a new plunger guide tube in. And would be matching the holes in front. And now we can use a Phillips screwdriver to tighten them properly. Next, slide the plunger in. And now we can install the lid switch. Match the cutouts with posts on the side. Press it down and push it back. It's locked in. Alright, to install the console back on, we need to match the holes with all the locking posts here. Lower down and push it forward. Secure the console with the three 5/16" screws from the back. Insert the left side hinge into the opening in the cabinet. Align those two holes and insert the pin inside. The next thing would be push it in and allow this tab to lock into the lid. Now we can close the lid. Close and open the lid to make sure that everything is installed properly. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.